Are you here? If you can
Yes, ma'am,
unmute
I'm here only.
yourself. Ah, so I think the final question should be asked by you only, or the final blessing should come from you.
रोहन,
सर
मैम रोहन के साथ बहुत बहुत समय गुजारा है मैंने और बहुत कुछ सीखा है. आई हैव लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स and in fact I have directed my first movie because of him only, because of his efforts only. Otherwise, without his presence, I won't be able to make that movie. And in that movie also, I have learned so many things from him only. And he's the only one child जिसको मुझे देख के लगता है यस, मैं बहुत प्राउड करता हूँ कि यस, ही इज माय स्टूडेंट. जिसको देख के बहुत गर्व फील होता है और जिसको देख के खुद सीखने को मिलता है. और फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग फर्स्ट डे से ही इसके अंदर वो एंथुजियाज्म, सीखने का, आगे बढ़ने का. शायद सबको ना पता हो, रोहन जितना अच्छा एक्टर है, जितना अच्छा साउंड डिजाइनर है, जितना अच्छा एडिटर है, जितनी अच्छी वॉइस ओवर करता है, उसके साथ उतना ही अच्छा एक डांसर भी है. हम सब, मैंने और रोहन ने एक साथ फर्स्ट हॉर्लिक्स जीता था, जो कि ब्रांड था स्कूल के अंदर. तो हमारी फर्स्ट प्रोडक्शन थी जो हॉर्लिक्स के अंदर, उसके अंदर लीड डांसर था. तो एज ए डांसर, ड्रमर, सिंगर, म्यूजिशियन, इज अ ऑल राउंडर. तो मैं इससे बहुत सारी चीजें सीखे, मैंने इससे सीखी हैं. और सबसे अच्छी बात है, इतनी सारी चीजें होने के बावजूद भी ही सो हम्बल, ही सो कनेक्टेड, ही सो रिस्पेक्टफुल. मतलब इसको देख के लगता है कि काश मैं भी ऐसा स्टूडेंट होता.
Thank you so much, Vivek sir. Thank you so much. You have summed it all. With this, I come back to Principal sir. Sir, over to you.
Rohan, good afternoon again. Vida loved you while you were talking. The way you talk, the way that you emote out your expressions, the smile, giving a jerk to your ear. Everything was amazing. Everything was mesmerizing. I could see an artist within you. And the artist doesn't have to act, separately. Your every move is an act. If your profession, your passion becomes a profession, every move, every smile, every laugh, everything becomes your art. And I really loved it. That is what I tell the children. They need to change their perspective. They need to see what is my passion all about. I'm telling you, if I tell you from 1983-84, when I did my class 12, and my father wanted me to become an army officer because I come from an army background. And my passion was to teach. When I was in class 5th, I used to teach class 6 children. I don't know, right from the childhood, I wanted to be a teacher. Even today, I'm a principal, but before the principal, I'm a teacher. I love teaching the children. I'm taking classes for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th now, and I'm really enjoying connecting back to the children. So I'm telling you, when I was passionate about becoming a teacher, my father forced me to fill up the NDA. Just to satisfy him, I cleared NDA. All three branches I was okay. Then after graduation, BSc, I did CDS. I cleared the CDS, SSB, got into Navy, Army, and Air Force, all three, and still left it. And told my father, I'm passionate about becoming a teacher. Then I did my MA in English, MA in Economics, MSc in Mathematics. While doing all this, I was taking a lot of free coaching for the poor. Then after I did my master's in economics, I went to a remote village. Look at my passion. I did not pick up, I'm from Dehradun. I didn't take a job in Dehradun. I went to a remote area called Palia Kalam, near the Dudhwa National Park, near the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. There's a school called Doon International School. It was just started because there were no good schools over there. So one of a person who was known to my father, he came to know that I'm passionate about teaching. He came to our house. He said, I'm going to take your son. When he said teaching, I said, I'm going. And I went there. It was full of mosquitoes. It was a very rural kind of area, rural setup. But children were from poor background. They were all from farmers and the people from those were landless laborers. Their children were there. I'm telling you, my passion took me bringing 50 more children from such families whom we could teach free of cost. That was a passion. I'm just sharing it because I want the children who are the audience today, they must know it's a passion which works. It's not your percentage which works in the long run. Nobody has ever asked me, Mr. Bish, what is your percentage in class 10th or 12th or BSc or MA or MSc? People have seen a human being in me. They've seen what kind of a person I am, how I connect to the people. I'm meeting you the first time and I've definitely fell in love with you, Bitam. You're a wonderful, wonderful human being, wonderful actor, wonderful person who could express himself so beautifully. And, from a few years from now, it's going to be only the passion which will work. No percentage, no subjects will help the children. Things are changing. It's becoming a VUCA world. Volatile, it's very complex. It's going to be really different, uncertain times are coming up. So it's a passion which will work. The children need to learn to have the one very good skill, that is communication skills. And here I found as an actor, your communication skills were amazingly good. The expressions, the emotions, when you talked about the Pakawat which broke down, and the expressions which you gave right now, it looked as if just now, while talking to us, it broke down, and then your expressions were showing and making us feel that moment with you. So this is what was so beautiful about you. I hope all the children who are there in the audience must have enjoyed this Alumni Connect of ours. And Rohan, I would definitely want you to come sometimes physically to the school, talk to the children, feel
Love
your
to, sir.
life once again. I may be new face of the school, but I'm there for the school, being the principal of the school. I feel that I take the onus of everybody there, whether it's old, new, or whatever. I think you are a part and parcel of DPSGV much more than me. So any day, please come over. You're more than welcome. And connect Ritu ma'am with many more of your friends who are working on unconventional career options. Becoming
Absolutely.
a police officer, becoming an engineer, becoming a doctor, it's very conventional. But getting into unconventional career options, these days people are going in for, content writing for the advertisements. That is such a lucrative thing, and just such a passionate person only can go. You cannot create those kind of slogans till the time you have the creativity within. So we would want you to look for some more of your friends who are into something which makes them unique, different from the crowd. I don't want the people who are in the crowd altogether. No, different things you're doing, that should come to Ritu ma'am's notice. To Ritu ma'am, it should go to Mehak, and we should get the Alumni Connect with many more children. And we would want you to visit us again, even if it is the online mode. Please do come over again. You were amazingly impressive, superbly awesome. I must say, I enjoyed it forevermore. Thank you, Vedant. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye
Thank you, sir.
bye. Take care. Thank
Yes.
you, Ritu ma'am, for connecting him to all of us.
Uh, Thank you, sir, to you. So, Rohan, you must have seen how passionate principal we have. So, it is
Yes,
actually
sir.
his baby. This Alumni Connect program is absolutely his baby. So, we are just following whatever he is asking us to do. So, with this, I would really thank you, and I'm looking forward to many, many more with you. And let me tell you, at this portal, we'll be screening your films once we are offline. So in the auditorium, maybe minus the popcorns, but definitely we are going to enjoy your films there.
We can get you the
So,
popcorn. Popcorns can also be organized and arranged.
okay, sir, we'll organize the popcorns too. So thank you, baby. Thank you so very much. Love you,
I
and
just
please keep in touch.
say, ma'am, I just want to sum this up just because it means a lot to me that I am back in this space because uh, this school I won't be able to put it in words, but this school is at the very core of my being, and Kalpana ma'am is not here, but I remember this vision that we used to repeat every day in school, that the quest for excellence with a blend of values and technology and culture, and this has really been the core of what I am and what I want to do. And I won't, in whatever words I say, in whatever expression I say, I will never be able to be grateful enough for being in this school, for being under the teachers that I was, and for still receiving so much love and nurturing and blessings throughout this journey. So thank you for I don't know, for whatever this power, this universe is, for putting me here. Uh, Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Convey this to Kalpana Kapoor ma'am also. Okay. So love you very much.
Yes.
And we are
Thank
going
you.
to anticipate many more interactions with you. So love you, baby. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, universe, everyone.
Thank you, universe. Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you
Bye, Rohan.
everyone for being here. Bye everyone. So thank you everyone for this lovely afternoon. Thank you, sir. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, students, for being here. Bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm ending this meeting, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Upasana ma'am. Pavni, which still